Okay, thought move on to the next video here. Basically, want to figure out how you extract the models or find the content in NWNEE to be able to make changes, and that we'll be using NWNExplorer to do that. So here's some links. This is the GitHub, which you go to the latest version, and then you download it right there. I've already got it downloaded. Also, the NWNEE wiki has some information regarding it if you want to read up on some of it. The content I'm referring to is, everything from the creatures or NPCs or whatever that you can put down, changing to the different placeables, to even the tiles themselves, like to create a corridor or whatever. Each one of these, again, is a tile. So each section of this is a tile. And it all adds up to create an area that we want. But to find all this content, well, also there's NW scripts. The scripts are what run. Let's see, go to properties. Let's go scripts, which is basically code. And this is what it looks like. And the code in the game depends on what it is. Some of it refers to text files, which is called 2DAs, and those text files works with these scripts. Now you can create more new scripts over here, new scripts, and then use whether they're functions, variables. I just want to show you we have scripts, we have all the models, and then you have the text files. Now to find these text files, 2DAs, or any of these models, you've got to use NWNExplorer, which is right here. Now, to use NWNExplorer, you got to link it to your binary. So open up binary. First you go to options, and then you link it to where your NWNEE folder is for the content. Mine's a little funky because I'm using Linux. Yes, shout out to Linux. Linux Mint. I love it. It's a great operating system, and I'm 100% Linux. So I don't use Windows for anything anymore. So anyhow, once that's set up, you hit OK, and then you can get into the binaries. And if you go to under main data, and then you go under here's the 2DAs, base 2DAs, game data. Now here's 2DA files, and that, see, it's a chart. Some of them are like charts, but let's see. There's one that's, where is it? These are feats, saving throws. There's a saving throw table, and they're for different classes like sorcerers, saving throw table. But these are the 2DAs, but you can right click on it and you can hit export, and you can export this 2DA, which will create a text file. You can do that to all of them. You can grab here and go export, same thing. But you can also models. There's an NPC. There's a bear. Okay, so hopefully you guys find this helpful. You can be able to go in here now and find what you're looking for, extract it, make changes, and then the future videos I'll show how to make some of those changes, whether it's using Blender or using a text editor, and then how to implement them back in the game. All right, thanks a lot. See you at the next video.